Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 10 years old, and today I will tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. First, I stretch and make my bed. Then, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I put on my school uniform and get ready for the day. At 7 a.m., I eat breakfast with my family. My mom makes eggs and toast, and I drink a glass of milk. My little brother Tom eats cereal. We talk and laugh together. At 7:30 a.m., I pack my school bag, and my dad drives me to school. At a school, I study subjects like math, English, and science. My favorite subject is English because I love reading stories. We also have a break at 10:30 a.m. and I play with my friends. At 12:30 p.m., I come home from school and eat lunch with my family. After lunch, I rest for a while and watch a little TV. At 2 p.m., I do my homework. My mom sometimes helps me with math because she's a teacher. In the evening, at 4:30 p.m., I go outside to play with Tom. We love playing soccer in the garden or riding our bikes. Sometimes we also draw pictures together. At 6 p.m., I take a shower and change into my pajamas. Then I help my mom set the table. At 7 p.m., my family and I have dinner together. We eat delicious food and talk about our day. After dinner, at 8 p.m., I watch TV or read a book. Sometimes we play board games as a family. At 9 p.m., I brush my teeth again and get ready for bed. My mom reads me a bedtime story, and at 9:30 p.m., I turn off the lights and go to sleep. This is my daily routine. What about you? Tell me about your daily routine in the comments.